Welcome back to Quiz RAD. Today, we're diving deep inside you. It's time for the Human Body Facts Challenge. Some of these facts are totally true, and some are absolute myths. Can you guess which ones are real before the timer runs out? Let's test how well you really know your own body. The human heart has 4 chambers. True or false? It's true! That's what keeps your blood flowing non-stop. Your brain stops growing after age 5. True or false? False! It keeps developing until your mid-20 seconds. Fingernails and hair keep growing after death. True or false? False. It's just an illusion caused by skin shrinkage. Your skin is the largest organ. True or false? True. It's your body's natural superhero suit. Adults have 206 bones. True or false? True. You actually start with over 300 as a baby. The tongue has only one sweet zone. True or false? False. All parts of your tongue can taste everything. The left lung is smaller than the right lung. True. That's to make space for your heart. The brain feels pain. False. It processes pain but can't feel it. The smallest bone is in your ear. True or false? True. It's the stapes, tinier than a grain of rice. Find the odd one out. Great! We use only 10% of our brain. False. That's a myth. Your brain's always active. Your eyes never grow after birth. False. They grow slightly as you age. You have a unique tongue print. True. It's like your fingerprint. The liver can regenerate. True. It's the only internal organ with that power. Everyone has the same number of taste buds. False. Some people are super tasters. Hair and nails are made of the same protein. True. It's called keratin. The average adult has 10 liters of blood. False. It's around 5-6 liters. The nose can detect 1 trillion scents. True. Your nose is a super sensor. The brain uses 20% of oxygen. True. Thinking is hard work. I guess the body part by this emoji. It's a kidney. You can breathe and swallow at once. False. Impossible for humans. Your body has more bacteria than cells. True. You're basically a walking ecosystem. Your heart beats faster with loud music. True. Music moves your heart. Bones are dead tissue. False. They're alive and growing. The stomach replaces its lining every few days. True. Or it would digest itself. The appendix has no function. False. It helps your immune system. You shed all your skin every year. False. Takes 7-10 years. We blink 10,000 times a day. False. It's closer to 20,000. Ears never stop growing. True. That's why old ears look bigger. The human body glows in the dark. True. Too faint to see. How many did you get right? Your body is truly amazing, and so are you. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss another mind-blowing quiz from Quiz RAD. See you in the next challenge.